Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the accessibility features in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Press on it. And after that, if you scroll down a little bit, under the settings category, you will find the accessibility option. Press on it. And here you can activate or deactivate two options here. One of them is the map zoom controls and the other is the map pan controls. Now if you just press on them, you can see that they will instantly be activated, and if you press on it again, it can be deactivated. So yeah, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.